Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with a 1.3 petrol engine with a manual gearbox, returning up to 54 miles per gallon. And the car comes with full service history and has covered just over 46,000 miles. As you can see, the race red paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, first thing that stands out is that the original owner chose satellite navigation as a factory option, which also has DAB radio and Bluetooth for you. Below that you have your air conditioning and your quick clear front windscreen button. So on a frosty morning, instead of getting the de-icer out, you simply press the button. Within a few seconds the front windscreen is defrosted. The car also has electric mirrors and front windows on the driver's door there. But overall you've got a nice clean interior. Rear passengers, I've got lots of legroom there in the back with the cup holder in the centre and the pockets in the back of the front seats. And as we open the tailgate on the Fiesta, you see you've got a good sized, nice and deep boot there with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place. And this car also has a spare wheel, which would have been a factory option as well. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 15-inch twin spoke alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.